Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to take an upper alginate impression. First, gather all necessary materials, including alginate powder, water, a mixing bowl, spatula, and an appropriate impression tray. Ensure your patient is comfortably seated and draped to prevent any spills. Select an impression tray that covers all teeth and extends slightly beyond the posterior molars, ensuring a good fit for an accurate impression. This careful preparation is crucial for a successful outcome. Next, accurately measure the alginate powder and water according to the manufacturer's instructions, typically 1 scoop of powder to 1 measure of water. Mix vigorously in a rubber bowl with a spatula for approximately 45 to 60 seconds. Aim for a smooth, homogeneous consistency, avoiding air bubbles, which can compromise the impression's accuracy. Speed is key here, as alginate sets quickly, so work efficiently to achieve the ideal mix. Now, load the mixed alginate into the selected upper impression tray, ensuring an even distribution and a slight overfill. Gently but firmly seat the tray over the patient's upper arch, starting from the posterior and moving anteriorly. Apply light, even pressure, and hold the tray in place for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, or until the alginate sets completely. Maintain patient comfort throughout this process for a cooperative experience. Finally, break the seal by gently wiggling the tray, then remove it with a quick, firm pull to prevent distortion. Rinse the impression under cool, running water to remove any saliva or debris. Evaluate the impression for complete coverage, clear anatomical details, and the absence of voids or tears. Disinfect the impression according to standard protocols and pour the cast within 10 to 15 minutes for optimal accuracy and detail preservation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.